KJ in school. Yeah, you can, but just leave it here. Do you want me to take you inside or no?
Yeah.
Okay, put it there then.
I will, Mommy.
Why you don't want to learn your ABCs?
Because I'm not interested.
You're not interested, why?
Because I'm a ballerina.
Sugo ko niya. Mag-acting daw kami. We acting? What I need to do?
You ask her.
Oh.
You ask me why not to me ABC.
Okay, why not learning your ABC?
I'm not interested.
Because why?
I'm a ballerina.
Inutusan. She said to me, we will do acting. What did you say?
I like going in taxis.
Taxis, you don't like in your car?
I do like.
Ano lang yun na nasa isip mo, Inday, no?
I like both.
Why are you wearing white again? Huh? Okay. Iwan ko ito dito ba? Nilinis ko na to last time. Parang may alikabok pa rin siya, no? Magkuan min Inday. Palit mig tuyo. May nagsabi sa akin ba? Bakit ko daw? Inaano-ano ko pa si Papa? Sinasabi ko daw sa vlog. Normal man yun. Oy, hindi ko naman siya sinisiraan. Yun yung daily experiences ko sa life ba. Wala na akong alam kung ano na yung balita ko kay Papa, no? Kasi last time nung tumatawag siya sa aking kapatid, hindi nga sinagot ng aking kapatid. Ay, hindi niya nasagot. Kasi gusto niya, at hindi niya bilinak nga kay baka daw mag-thank you, gano'n. Hindi naman ako nag-i-expect na mag-thank you si Papa. Ang ano lang ba, yung ano lang. Yes? Balik kami mamaya. Maaga pa naman. Tapos thankful naman pa rin ako kay Papa. Yun din yung advice ni Mama na di daw need, at alam ko nag-advise din kayo, madami kayong mga advices na hindi need ng money para i-show ko yung love sa aking Papa. Pero ang hindi ko maintindihan, bakit palagi niya sinasabi na magpapa-check up daw siya, nasa kulungan naman siya. Before nung hindi pa yan siya na kulong, hindi naman niya inasikaso yung kanyang pagpa-check up sa diabetes dahil ano pa lang kami, doon pa lang kami sa Pilipinas is ano naman na yung na ano na yan siya sa diabetes ba, na diagnose na siya. Mga bata pa lang kami nun. Ano na sinabihan na yan siya ng doktor na magpa-insulin, ganon. Tapos nandun nga yung kabit niya nun that time sa hospital, tago ng tago kay takot man yun sa akin. Hindi kasi ako ano sa kanya, friendly. At alam niya talaga sa sarili niya na never ko siya malalike. Yung kabit ni Papa. Kaedad ko lang yun eh. Bata pa lang yun. Kaso ano na siya, mature dahil sa kanilang lifestyle ba ni Papa. Uy, first time ko mag-drive papunta dito. Sa Asian shop na ako lang. Wala si Wayne, wala akong alalay. There, but I think that's okay. Let's just be quick. Are you okay? You don't know what you want? Get daddy's pancit. Nag-worry siya sa aming sasakyan. Baka daw ma-scratch. Eh doon lang kasi namin pinarking sa gilid. Oh wow! Look at this snack. Oh, it's fish, anak. Oh, I don't know how much is that. Milk fish. Hotdog sila guys. Oh. There. We can have hot dog. This one is beef. So mommy can eat beef. And find your gummy?
No, because there's no more.
Oh, there's no more?
There's no more.
That's okay. We'll just come back next time, yeah? Grabe, ang init today. Uy, tuyo lang yung aming tuyo doon. Pero nakita kasi ako ng hotdog. Medyo mahal siya. Tag 5 pound ata to. Ayan, o beef na hotdog. Kasi last time, di ba, nag-order ako sa online. Tapos, ang dami. Hotdog lang naman. At saka yung binigay ni Ate Oni sa akin. Naghahanap ako ng isa doon. Tapos, bigas. At pomelo. Pomelo at tanglad. Tapos kanton. Yun na. Yun lang binili ni Inday ninyo. Yun yung pinunta ko doon. Ito, masarap to siguro, no? Kasi siya ng 1 pound. Tag 2.99 na lang. Yes? Hey, what's that? Apple. It's apple. What is this? Apple.
It's not a gammon.
Kala ko, same sila kalaki. Mas malaki pala yung aking tiyan, no? Itong baongon. Pomelo to siya. Matamis siguro to.
This is stuff that we buy this from.
Asda.
And
Onsang? Nagkita kami ni Karen, nagchika-chika kami doon loob sa school. Ngayon hindi na, nag-alis na sila, umuwi na. Hindi ako naka-vlog. Uy, kay maula naman ko ni Karen. Uy, magsigig vlog. Kay sometimes kasi yung aming pinag-uusapan ba kung ano-ano lang. Let's go. Ang tagal nito mga bata na ito, nag-scooter pa. Ha? Push it. Kay na biya kay si mami lang. Yeah. Did they ask you today why you're absent yesterday? And the kuan? No?
on the register, there's like a red mark, and when you press it, it tells you.
Yeah?
But you still have to call.
Oh, I still have to call? Alright. Let's go na. Daddy will be in the house now. Hindi ko alam kung anong kainin ni Wayne. Uy. Dali na, huy! Dali na, diri. Tignan niyo ang itsura ni Inday ninyo. Oh, sobrang laki na yun. Sobrang bigat na ng aking tiyan. Kahit doon lang sabihin ko yung lakarin namin, sobrang napapagod na ako. Para na ako kuan, oy, 50 years old na matanda na hindi ko na kayang dalhin yung aking katawan. Galing kami naligo ni Inday Jenny. Kaya ganito yung aming mamukha. Saan JJ? Ay, andito pala si JJ. Ah, unsa naman ni oy, next time don't bring na lang scooter oy. Because you don't like to kuan it, hold it. Be. Agay. Kunti lang yung chika namin ni Karen. Hindi ganun ka tagal dahil uwi naman na kami. Mga bata gutom na. Yes. Si Jenny kasi palagi naghahanap sa kanya. Pagkita niya, diretso siya naghag. Uy. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, that's their house there somewhere. There you go. Sunny day today. Ang mga bata. Ay, magluto ako ng hotdog. Kaya nakabili, di ba ako? Next time, magbili ako na. Jenny, stop! See, I told you to look. Oh, katupon ang ban kay wag yun nag-stop oy. Pedestrian man unta ang kuan diri. Importante. Yeah? Ang ganda na weather no. Lamig ng kuan. Ang lamig man ng hangin. I think it's in the car, JJ. That one should be blue, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, when it's not
Blossom.
blossom. Is it? I don't know what's the name of that, but we have that in
No,
Philippines.
is it like purple and blue?
Yeah, it's a mixed color.
It's old now.
It's old. It's dying because it's winter. Look where you're going, lagi ba? Footway closed because they're doing something.
So how did they get it?
I don't know. We didn't make Jenny's hair today because she just had a bath. Agoy. Kakulba. Oh my gosh. Sabi ni Wayne sa akin ba, paano mo man yun kinaya nung nagtuturo ka pa sa Thailand na si Jessica? Hindi kasi ako ganun kataba kay JJ at Jenny. Uy, ngayon lang, sobrang taba ko. Na parang nahihirapan na ako maggalaw. Hala, naunsa naman ka diha, lab. Jenny. Sige, if there's kuad bitaw diha ang gitian na ah. Simot pa niya. She smell her kuan. Hey, don't do that. Miss na miss niya yung kanyang tita. You hug Tita Karen? Ha? Did you hug?
Why is Peter in there?
What?
Why is Peter in this?
I don't know, anak. You have to ask daddy. Nagtatanong. Ayaw ko naman siya sabihan kay baka sabihin na nila sa English ba. Yan kasi na term is parang hindi siya bastos. Yung pang baby siya na term ba. Ang busy ng daanan, anak. Quickly na lang. Hay, kadugay aning dalawa. Uy, nanilalamig naman ako. Luto ko hotdog, nak. You will eat hotdog? Magluto si mami. Ha? Okay. Kailangan kong... Ay. Si Wayne. Ano kayang kainin ni Wayne? Magplito ako ng kuan. Ito o, pleto. Ay. Nag-ice-ice pa siya. Mayroon pala akong ano o, yung minaririnate ko na manok. Ayan. Masarap na ito ba? Pinakamarinate na. Mag-reply kaya si Wayne na magbiyahe naman siguro to. Tender juicy hotdog. Lutuin ko na lang to lahat, no? I-defrost ko muna. Ayan, oh. Iwan ko kung saan to siya ginawa, pero iba yung lasa niya kaysa sa hotdog natin sa Pilipinas. Ito lang yung kinakain ko kasi wala man siyang pork. UK man siya, oy. Sell a point. Sa UK siya ginawa. Mas masarap talaga yung hotdog natin dyan sa Pinas. Pero ito, tag 5 pounds. So, 5.90 siguro. Malapit mag 6 pounds. Tapos, magkano to dyan sa Pilipinas? Kaya ito, ano to siya dito? Pag 6 times 71. Let's just say 71 ang 1 pound. 400. 400 na siya dito. 400 pesos. 426 pesos. Magluto na tayo. Ay, magluto ako ng rice. Ay, mayroon pa palang rice. Iwan ko anong kainin ni Wayne. Dahil kabe, tawagan ko daw. hope sasagot. Ang ganda nito medyas. Oh, nabigay ni Ate Oni. Ang taba-taba ko na, no?
Hello?
What you will eat?
Egg noodles?
Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
Oh, kakain si Winnie to dahil paborito niya din ito. Magluto na ako to di video. Di video. JJ, do you want some hotdog lang?
What? No.
Uy. Mommy have hot dogs.
I want a dog.
What?
See what it tastes like.
This one? That's yummy. Mommy, luto na si hotdog. Tapos ito yung kay Wayne. Steak, egg at noodles.
Dirty.
Magkarwash kami ng aming sasakyan.
Pee off.
What? Okay. Take the pee off. Put it here. In the bin. Carwash pa more. There's another one. Pee. Tignan nyo silang dalawa.
Is it
Magkarwash.
wet?
Ha?
I'm not doing the handles. Whoa, too much, too much. Wow. Whoa, a big spoon. Get some bubbles. Mommy, I'm gonna do the front. My hand. Mommy. Yeah? Pee. Hello.
What is that?
I just found it. Well, you have a super big sponge. Don't splash it on me. Ich will hier. I will be the field. Just wait for me. Here. Mommy, you have a big sponge. Oh. Hey, don't make me wet.
Enjoy na enjoy silang dalawa, uy. Nag-car wash. Ito, daddy.
Mommy, I will let you do the doors.
Yes. Okay. Kinang. Properly lang. Properly.
Let me get some more.
I don't know how can I clean that roof. Oh. The top. Gusto ko yung
I don't
roof.
know, maybe get a ladder.
Ladder?
But Daddy was
Grabe, Jenny boy. Oh, car wash boy.
I will have to do the light.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it will get broke.
Everything you're allowed to do.
Oh, even this?
Yes.
And the brand sign?
Mm-hmm.
Yay, brand sign. Yes. But not here.
Karwash sila inday. Sobrang kuan na. Hapon na nagkarwash.
And let's watch this.
Hmm?
Yeah, I'm watching this.
Ayo?
I'm watching the other one.
Linis na aking sasakyan, oy. Mabut.
Done.
Come na.
Okay, my sponge.
Keep your sponge. Move a little bit, JJB. Ay, hiningal naman si mami, oy. Here, move here ba, backward. Move sa backward lang. Stand up. Kapoy ng aking lawas kay alas 3 na ako natulog. Kaya doon ako nakatulog sa kwarto ni Wayne kagabi. Masra. Ikaw, utrupog ka. Upag si Jessica. Mga bata na kuan. Dili magkuan, independent. Always nakadepend. Lower sa na the volume lang, be. Kusog kaayo. Lower the volume ba? Pag wala tayo tulog ba, kay grabe ka kuan. Makasapod. Jenny, oh. Kubot kay buhok. Look at your hair, ganit. Look at your hair. No, it's so messy. What's at your socks ko? May madami akong natanggap ng mga tanong. Oh, what? Moving what? What do you mean?
They're not mirrors.
Why does she move? I don't understand why she needs to move.
Because I make my hair.
She's not yet done. Kailan daw ako manganak? Oh, i-update ko kayo sa aking pamanganak, guys. Ilang ilang weeks na lang, manganganak na ako. Pero pagod na yung aking katawan. Hindi ako nagkuan na kanang diri na. Kanang ang bigat na kasi. Ay sus, uy, Artie. I didn't.
You did.
Dito na kayo mag-sit down.
When you scared me by here.
Okay. Kay ilang na lang, weeks. Hinihingal na. Gwi, hawa na da, JJ.
Mommy?
Put your shoes. Diri na, Jenny.
Mommy?
Yeah?
No, actually, when you scared people too hard, it bleed.
Ay, naku ni mo, Jenny. Sika, uy. Sapot ko nilang dalawa, uy. Aga-aga, nag-away. Dire. Ito yung aming nilinis kahapon. Put your bag there, JJ. Away silang dalawa. Tapos, ang init ng ulo ko dahil nga wala akong tulog. Nasigawan ko silang dalawa. Minsan-minsan lang ako magagalit sa kanila, pero alam nila kung galit na talaga ako. Yes?
Why last time when we went to the second one, there was a van taxi?
Yeah. Because mommy cannot drive that time yet. May nagtanong sa akin, kailan nga ako manganak? So, kuan mga...
Keep starting it.
I don't know. What's wrong with what?
Maybe
Ilang weeks na lang ako manganak.
it's just the so.
Yeah. Pero sobrang bigat na ng aking tiyan. Naawa si Wayne sa akin. How much more no kung naglalakad ako? Yeah?
How much years in this country do you need to pee?
I think it depends how long you want it. Yeah?
We forgot to pee.
Oh yeah. I forgot the pee. See, cause you're not listening to me. Sometimes you kuan pag you're fighting. You know, mommy will have a baby soon. Making it so hard for me. Wala akong pee. Nakalimutan ko yung pee.
When the Jackie boy come out,
You have to be kuan. Good boy and girl.
I'm not a boy.
Good girls. Cause mommy is pregnant. I'm giving birth soon. I don't need to be stressed and get mad. But you keep fighting every morning.
Mommy, where did baby come out again?
In mommy's belly.
I mean, when
Dali na lang agi na. Bring your bag, JJ. Are you just walking?
No. Mommy,
Huh?
with this scooter in the house or
It's in the boots.
oh.
There's a lot of people parking there now. Where we go? Knock no.
Mommy,
Before nobody go there.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I want scooter. Yes. Ah. This is mommy.
So how was that? Mommy will get it. Okay. Oh, there's 1p here. I'll just put the 1p here in my pocket. Still wet.
What's the one?
Mommy's car. Here you go.
Mommy, why?
Wait, I need to lock it. Be. Go that side. Yeah? Here, this side. Gumagahi yung aking tiyan ba? Siguro dahil nagalit ako ng todo. As in, sobrang galit ko at sigaw ko sa kanila. Yeah? Yes. It's safe. Mga bata na ito, uy. No. Ikaw. Dati, dinadrop ko lang si JJ dito sa labas. Siya na yung pumupunta. Ngayon kasi, hindi na sila pumapayag na wag dalhin ang bata dun sa loob. Kailangan i-drop na talaga sila sa loob. Maglakad pa ako dun. Punta loob. Leave it there. Just leave it there, Jenny. Come on. What did you do?
Put the window down.
Huh?
The window down.
Okay. Hold sa this one, Vicky. Mommy will park.
Okay.
Saan naman na? Here. Hold it there, please.
Mama. You don't want to make me fall.
What?
You don't want to make me fall.
Thank you. Utusan pa si Inday. You okay?
Quack, quack.
Who cry early in the morning? Hmm?
Me.
Kisa ko be. Kisa mama. Oh, good. Dirty man ang nose. You have runny nose?
No, my nose is dirty because when we went to the house.
Okay. House. Ang
When we went to the house, I was crying. That's why my
you were
nose is
crying?
dirty.
Yeah? Kisa ko be. Hoy, labad lagi ka. My breath don't stink. Bad kayo si Jenny. Magbubuli sa akin mga tita. Oh. No. How about you, be? Ew, your breath stink. See, you don't like it. It's not, it's not. Pag siya mangkuan, agay-agay, sakit ang puso lang. Dali na lang, it's not, oy. Toing. Who's this? Who is that? Let's clean your scooters. Kaya it's so dirty.
Okay.
Wait tayo, mami. Agay, struggle itong paglabas ko dito sa sakyan. Hindi ko na kasi minumove yung aking upuan kay pag i-move ko, hindi ko maabot doon sa ilalim. Kaya ang laki ng aking tiyan. Who's that? Who's that, the monkey? Okay, let's get some brush. It's cold man, anak. Uy. Okay. Ginis ng scooter, gi. Gi. Good job. Mommy will brush it. Kay JJ andon. So, linis Inday, bye. Serious na siya linis scooter bay.
Who is this one?
That one is dirty.